Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you how to use text-to-speech voiceover in CapCut from your video clip in CapCut. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular video right here. Let's play the video. You can start talking, and it's going to, you can see it's. So this particular video here, I can decide to change the voice over right here, and at the same time use text to speech to achieve that. So for that, so next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and we come down below right here. We make sure we swipe this way until we get to text to audio right here. So go ahead and click on that. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to paste our text right here. So I'm going to click on here now. So if you have your script, you can easily paste your text right here. However, you can extract from a video. For that, go ahead and click on extract from video right here. Click on allow. Then select the video. In a few seconds, it's going to extract all the audio, all the text from the video. Just like so, we have all the text right here. Now here, you can change if you have any issue with some of the spell right here. You can spell as the case may be. You can also improve, expand, and shorten the text, etc. Right here. You can as well translate the text right here. Go ahead and click on agree. Then you can translate from English to whatever language you might think of right here. Okay. Let's say, for instance, I want to translate to Spanish right here. I select Spanish and I hit on translate. And in a few seconds, everything has been translated to Spanish. Click on replace and then successfully replace to Spanish and hit on done right here. Now we have the text right here. Then from the bottom right here, we can choose some of the voiceover artists right here. So those one you have an icon with them here, they have pro. So if you want to use free, go ahead and select free. Just like so. If you want to, you can try another one right here. These are free. So if you want to check on some of the pro voiceover right here, so I can decide to use this female voiceover right here. So once you are satisfied with the voiceover artist, go ahead and click on next right here. Then go ahead and click on split automatically. Just like so. Then we can go ahead now and play the video. Just like so. Now we need to make sure we replace the audio right here. So I'm going to select on the original audio of this particular video right here. Then select the original video, click on volume right here. Just turn down the volume. Then hit on OK. Now comments engraver that. Here.it comments engraver. Just like so. So we have replaced the audio language and our audio voiceover artist, and at the same time we had a subtitle caption to our voiceover right here in CapCut. You can go on our own and edit every template you have right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.